zone, we can kind of neaten it up because we're looking at where the candles are closing. Perfect. Let's zoom out here a little bit. So on the 4 hours, we zoom out. If we break this support, we're heading down to, what's this, 143, 678. Yeah, that could be our next zone there, 143, 678. Right there, if we break the support. But if we break this resistance, we're heading up to 145 even. So we'll have to wait and see. We got the 1 hour, we got the 30 minute. 30 minute, I'm going to be looking for sells if we break below 144, 286. That's where I'm going to be looking for sells. Looks like we're rejecting that area. Oh, we're coming down, 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 down. See, the thing is, I don't want to miss these sells. That's the whole problem. Even though simulation, we have to wait for this candle to close. 15-minute candle has closed. 15-minute candle has closed bearish in a range. 30-minute candle is still open, but the 30-minute candle has broken the low of the previous 30-minute candle in a downtrend. 4 hour is in a resistance over here. Now, what are the chances? What's the probability that the 4 hour candle can continue moving down? Because if you look at the time, this is almost the first half of the 4 hour candle closing. First half of the 4 hour candle closing, right? And if the first half of the 4 hour candle moved up to create a top wick, the second half technically should continue down and fill this daily range down at the bottom. You know, so maybe on the 30-minute time frame, if this 30-minute time frame has slightly broken the low of the previous 30-minute time frame, maybe having a stop above the 30-minute candle would be logical, I'd say. Like 13 pip stop, 13, 14 pip stop would be logical. And that's also above the 1 hour, the 4 hour candle here too. So let's keep it up over here a little bit, move it up a little higher, like that. And we're going to move this up a little higher too, like that. Because if the momentum is down and price is ranging, a 30-minute candle is about to close bearish. If it closes bearish, we're going to have continuation for price to continue moving down. It's closing in 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1, close. 30-minute candle has closed. So if we look at more detail, if you look at the way this 30-minute candle closed, this 30-minute candle closed below 1, 2, 3, 4 30-minute candles. So now there's a higher chance for this 30-minute candle to maybe come up to create a wick or whatever, and then continue moving down to fill this wick. And if it has more legs, it can continue moving down to our target. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens here. It's coming up to create a wick. If it's creating a wick, then this is good. And it should drop down. Once this 30-minute candle, oh no, come on. Oh, that's too bad. That was uncalled for. Oh, I guess we're still good. We're good. Nice. See, 30-minute candle has closed bullish, but when we look on the 1 hour candle, 1 hour is still bearish, you know, and the 4 hour is also bearish. So we are still in this trade here based on the 1 hour candle closing bearish. So technically speaking, this candle should also continue moving bearish. And overall, the 4 hour candle should continue moving bearish as well. The daily candle is also bearish. It should continue moving bearish as well. So now the 4 hour candle is moving bearish. 1 hour candle has broken the low of the previous 1 hour candle a little bit. The 30-minute candle has broken the low of the previous 30-minute candle. The new 30-minute candle has formed. Now see, now this 30-minute candle should respect the high of the previous 30-minute candle. So this is another opportunity to take some more sells, because if you look on the 30-minute candle, this is now closed below all the previous 30-minute candles. You know, so now this is an opportunity where you can say, okay, perfect. This makes sense. The probability of price to continue down is higher than price to go